In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Telegram. We'll walk through this using Telegram Web or Telegram Desktop, and the process is very similar in both. Start by opening Telegram in your browser or launching the desktop app, then sign into your account if you aren't already. Since Telegram is cloud-based, any changes you make here will sync across your devices, so you only need to do this once. Once you're in, look to the top left corner for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main navigation panel. From this panel, choose Contacts. Depending on which web version you're using, including some labeled with letters like Z or K, selecting Contacts might open a dedicated list or slide out a sidebar. Either way, you'll see your saved Telegram contacts in one place. Now it's time to find the person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of contacts. Typing part of the name is usually enough to bring it up quickly. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right person, especially if there are similar usernames. Click the contact's name to open their profile or chat view. Inside that profile view, look for the three-dot menu icon, often shown as a vertical set of dots in the upper area of the window. Click that to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Contact. This doesn't send a notification to the other person. It simply removes them from your contact list on your side. Telegram will ask you to confirm, just to make sure this is intentional. Read the prompt and click to confirm. That's it. The contact is removed. If you still have a chat history with them, the conversation may remain in your chat list, but the contact itself won't be saved to your address book anymore. You can always archive or delete the chat separately later if you prefer. But that's optional. If you need to remove more than one contact, simply repeat the same steps. Open the menu, go to Contacts, find the person, open their profile, use the three-dot menu, and confirm Delete Contact. Taking a moment to double-check each name before confirming helps avoid accidental removals. And remember, you can re-add someone at any time if you decide you need them back in your contacts.